Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then tap on the sound section. Here you can see the sound mode section. We can just switch them here to mute or to the sound one. Here we can change our ringtone notification and system temp sounds. Also here we got the volume section. Here we can change the volume of our notifications, media, ringtones, and the system sounds. Also we get here our system sound section. We can just here enable or disable touch interactions, so when you touch your screen, for example, you can go back or go to the home screen, you can hear the sound of your touches. Also I'll just disable this option. Here we can also, by the same way, by just tap once on each of switchers, enable or disable the screen lock, charging, dialing keypad, and Samsung keyboard sounds. Also here we get the sound quality and effects. We can here also enable and disable all of these options. And here we can also just go to the don't disturb mode. We can just turn on or turn off the don't disturb mode, or also you can just here customize this mode just when you want to activate them, to just when the don't disturb mode can just disable. Also you can just here change this all the exceptions. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.